Hello everyone, I am here to present my first task of the Sparks Foundation in Data Science and Business Analysis. Task is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. Simple linear regression is used as it involves just two variables. We have to predict the score of a student who studies for 9.25 hours per day based on a given dataset. In step 1, I have imported libraries. Pandas library for data manipulation and analysis, numerical Python library for array processing, Matplotlib.pyplot is a collection of functions which makes Matplotlib to work like MATLAB. Basically, it is a plotting library and a Seaborn library for data visualization. Then here, I imported the given dataset. Datahead function gave us the first 10 rows. Step 2 is data analysis. Datasheet provides the number of rows and number of columns from the dataset. Data info gave us a concise summary of a data frame. Describe function gave us the basic statistical details of a dataset. Here we plot the distribution of scores. Then we prepare the data by dividing them into attributes and labels, which is nothing but input and output. Then we split the data into training and testing sets. We use the train test split function in sklearn model selection to split data arrays into two subsets for training data and testing data. With this function, we don't need to divide the dataset manually. By default, sklearn train test split will make random partitions for the two subsets. Here is the histogram of the distribution of scores. Step 3 is training the algorithm. We train the algorithm using linear regression. Basically, regression models a target prediction value on independent variables. Then we predict the test set result and compare them with actual results. In fourth step, we visualize the results. We visualize the training set result and test set result. Step 5 is model evaluation. We evaluate our model with the help of coefficient of determination, that is R square regression score function. Here the best possible score is 1 and we are pretty close. Also we can see mean absolute error regression loss. And in last step we predict the score. Here is our predicted score. Thank you.